everybody, welcome to my channel. I want to first introduce myself. My name is Liana Navarrete. I've been doing nails for about 2 years now. I'm starting off on my 3rd year. And I thought I would start creating some fun videos for you guys to watch. I love nail art and nails are definitely my passion. So I hope you guys really enjoy my videos. So to begin, I start off with a tacky layer using the Uglyduckling white gel polish, and after it's cured I apply the pigments kind of like all over the nail wherever I want. I go ahead and brush off the excess pigment and apply no wipe top coat on it and cure it for 30 seconds in a lamp. After that's cured, I go ahead and put no wipe top coat again and start applying the flakes all over the nail. While it's curing, I'm making my milky white gel polish. It's just clear and the white mixed together. Then I applied this all over the nail on top of the flakes. While the gel polish is still wet, I go ahead and apply more flakes into that just to kind of cover up any of that pigment that I see showing through. I go ahead and cure that, and then while the gel polish is still tacky, I apply more of the other flakes that I have to give it more of an opal effect. I go ahead and apply another layer of that milky white gel polish all over the nail and cure it. Next up, I'm going to apply a little bit of the Hardgel onto the nail, and I'm going to apply gold flakes on the outer edges of the nail. After the nail is cured, I go ahead and apply a bead of the Young Nails Build Hardgel and encapsulate the whole nail. Then I go ahead and cure it. I went ahead and cleansed it and shaped it off camera, and now I'm applying the top coat, and this is the final result. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.